My name's Wayne Cartnell. I'm the founder at MyNewTerm. So MyNewTerm is an online marketplace connecting schools and candidates directly. It's a technology that I first developed as a teacher and subsequently has now gone on to be used by thousands of schools across the country. So what we were looking to do is explore other markets. We're at a time now where we thought it was beneficial to just look beyond what we're currently doing, and we were looking for some expertise and insight in terms of possible opportunities, and that's how it came about. So, as a business owner, there's always lots of things to be doing and lots of potential priorities, and trying to get that strategic outside support is something that's really beneficial, and it really came at an opportune moment for where we were at the time. We were actively looking at this but didn't really know who to turn to. So it was through connections at the Bedfordshire Chamber of Commerce that we came across the opportunity, and because we were actively kind of just exploring the really early stages as to possible opportunities, that's where it came about, and we thought it was an ideal opportunity to tap into that, into something that was also fully funded. The experience with Bed Chamber and FSS Digital has been excellent. So the review that we conducted as part of the process was really insightful, and then the report and the findings that have kind of come off the back of that have been incredibly useful to help us take forward into actionable next steps as we look at possible opportunities in an export market. I would absolutely recommend the marketing audit to other businesses for just the awareness and the actionable insights that you can get to really take forward and put into practice. So yeah, I'd absolutely recommend it.